Hello everyone. Today, we're presenting the installation of the Dazuma Modern Square LED pillar light. Before installation, make sure the power to the installation area is completely turned off. Product list: 1 expansion screw accessory pack and 1 Modern Square LED pillar light. Step 1. Remove the 4 screws, securing the bottom covers on the sides of the light fixture. Step 2. Remove the bottom cover from the light fixture. Step 3. Position the bottom cover at the intended installation location. Mark the mounting holes and drill the holes. Step 4. Insert the 4 expansion anchors from the accessory pack into the drilled holes. Step 5. Remove the 2 retaining rings and the nut from each of the 4 expansion bolts installed in Step 4. Step 6. Align the bottom cover with the 4 expansion bolts and place it into position. Then, as demonstrated in the video, reinstall the 2 retaining rings and 1 nut onto each expansion bolt. Step 7. Install the 2 wire connectors, not included, onto your power supply wires. Step 8. Connect the light fixture's power wires to your wire connectors, one at a time. Connect the yellow-green power wire to your ground wire, the brown power wire to your white neutral wire, and the dark green power wire to your black live wire. Step 9. Place the light fixture onto the bottom cover. Then reinstall the 4 screws removed in Step 1 along the lower sides of the fixture to securely fasten the light fixture to the bottom cover. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.